Good afternoon, everyone. Today we have gathered here to understand our new concept of digital advisory products. So basically, these are the theme of basket investing products. We offer you the baskets with different themes like pharma, where you can find the best 10 stocks in pharma sector, or dividend stocks theme, where you can have best dividend paying stocks. So the team has several other baskets with different themes. Let me tell you, how does it help in investing? If I talk about pharma basket, then we might have more than 200 stocks in pharma sector as a whole. And to research and select 10 out of it becomes very difficult for an investor. So team Alphaniti will make our life easy. We have already done the research and have selected 10 best stocks and they have put it in a basket. So the process is also very simple and easy. And I would like Akshay and Alphaniti team to showcase new product with detailed explanation. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Vikram, for the introduction. Let me introduce the team. I hope my screen is visible to you all. Just a second. Is my screen visible to you all? Thanks, Palak. So, briefing about Alphaniti, the platform is a multi-asset class, data-driven, rule-based, and it is a tech-enabled platform which is 100% digital. So basically, you can invest, in both India and US markets. We have an array of offerings, right, from a single stock recommendation engine, Stocks Genie, to baskets and strategies. Talking about the team, if I may walk you through the team. Our CEO is Mr. Arindam Ghosh. He has been involved in key leadership roles across financial services, and he has been associated with companies like Mediaset India, Fidelity, Tata. Mr. Ananda is our director. He's an accomplished professional in the industry. He comes from a very strong financial background himself with companies like Tata, AIG, ICICI Bank, and he has deep connect with the investments domain himself. Mr. UR Bhatt, our CIO and director, one of India's, I don't think he needs any introduction, but he happens to be one of India's highly acclaimed investment managers who has managed several foreign institutional investments in the Indian markets. He hails from Jardine Fleming and JP Morgan, Dalton Capital. Mr. Akshay Barjate, who we have here today for the webinar, he'll be walking us through the platform and taking your questions live. He takes care of investments at Alphaniti. With him, he brings over 15 years of experience of Indian capital markets, and he himself is a passionate investor. If I talk about his interests and his experience, and previously he's been associated with companies like Nomura, JP Morgan, and Kotak Securities. So for today's session, I request you all that you put your questions as they come during the live session and the demo of the platform on the chat box, and we would be then taking it over and answering all your questions live. So please stay with us through the webinar, and we'll be taking all your questions as and when you have any doubt as to how to subscribe, what are the products like, how can you invest. So with this, I will hand it over to Akshay, and he'll demo the platform. Thank you so much.
Thanks for the introduction, Shreya. A very warm welcome to all participants from Prabhudas Leeladhar. I hope my screen is visible to everyone. So as you can see in front of you, this is the landing page of our platform of Alphaniti. It's a pretty simple and easy to use and understand workflow for a new joinee or a new person who has come onto the platform, right? So once you come over here, you get to see a couple of quick things. One is you get to see some of our top performing products, right? You get to see what kind of products do we have across the different geographies. We also explain to you in brief what is the overall process of operating on the Alphaniti platform. As you can see over here, it's a very, very simple process. It's a 3-step process. You have to just register and subscribe. You have to choose a product and you can execute through your desired broker partner. In this case, it would be Prabhudas Leeladhar, right? Some of the execution partners are mentioned over here. And obviously, as you can see, why should one go for our platform versus, some of our competitors? And we have explained that in greater detail over here. And also through, the various webinars that we conduct, we try to educate investors about the pros and cons of investing in direct stocks and why Alphaniti scores over various other opportunities that are available in the market through different, avenues. The subscription plans are also mentioned over here. It's very, very simple. We have two simple subscription plans. We have a plan for ₹99, which gives you access to only one product, which is Alpha Genie. For $999, you get access to both the products, which is Alpha Genie and Alpha Matter for the Indian markets. These are flat, subscription fees, which is valid for a period of 6 months. And this is also inclusive of GST. Over and above this, there is nothing else that we charge on the platform to the end user. So it's a very transparent, flat, and simple pricing mechanism that we have in place. It's very, very transparent for the end investor. So, once the user comes on board, it's a very simple process for him to invest. All he has to do is, put in his mobile number. Once he starts over here, we also ask him to put in his registered email address and the state that he comes from. These are only some of the few details that we ask investors to put in, as opposed to having a very elaborate customer onboarding experience. Once you have registered yourself, it's a very simple process to log on to the platform. All you have to do is click on login. The login process is very simple. You have to either put in your registered email address or mobile number, and it's an OTP-based login system. So you don't have to really create any fresh or new password for this platform. It's a 4-digit OTP verification system. Now that we are on the platform, we have logged into the system. Let's have a look at what all product categories do we have. So as I said, for the Indian markets, we have Alpha Genie and India Alpha Matter. And for the US markets, we have Alpha Matters, which are basically nothing but curated portfolios. When I talk about Alpha Matters, basically these are nothing but curated portfolios. And I'll talk about this in greater detail very shortly. But first and foremost, let me take you through Alpha Genie and what this is about. This is a product which is extremely differentiated in its approach. This is our single stock recommendation engine under Alpha Genie. And over here, we try to recommend stocks across different market cap segments and also across different time segments. As you can see, we have trades which get generated from 5 days up to 2 years, right? And this is the beauty of the system, that this works completely automated. There is absolutely no human intervention over here. We have put in certain algorithms which try to devise trades as and when they crop up. And it's absolutely emotionless. It's all based on data and statistics. We have done thorough backtesting for all the kinds of signals that we give on stocks. In case of several stocks, we go back right up to the inception year. So for example, like a Tata Steel, we would have data and we would have backtesting that we have done right from the mid-90s, as and when the data is available. So it's extremely thorough in terms of the backtesting that we have done. We have two basic strategies which we have implemented to generate these signals on single stocks, and they are based on principle of momentum, and one is based on the principle of mean reversion. These are, like I said, quantitative parameters on the basis of which these signals are given. However, we also do run a basic fundamental screener so that we ensure that the quality of companies that are recommended by the engine stand test of time. We don't want to be caught recommending companies which have very questionable corporate governance issues or any other issues that might have cropped up in the past. So we try to take into account those issues when we describe or when we sort of finalize our universe of companies in which we run these automatic algorithms to generate the trades, right? Now, okay, let's get down to the nitty-gritties, right? So over here, you see that there are trades which are valid for, let's say, up to 5 months, okay? Okay, so this is fairly simple. This trade was generated yesterday. There is a potential upside. This is the current market price. Okay. Now let's go in and see what else do we give you over here. So what we give you over here is a target price. We give you a stop loss. Okay, fine. Everybody else on the street also does this. No great shakes, correct? But what we try to do over here is through infographics, we try to give you a sense of how attractive this trade really is. So there are two things that we give to investors which will help them to take a better decision. One is we give you a strike rate. By the strike rate, what we mean is this is our confidence measure. So we are almost 10% sure that this trade is likely to work in our favor, number one. Number two, we also give you what is the risk reward ratio in place as of today, right? So as you can see, most investors, when they look at the target price and they look at the stop loss from the current market price, they're not able to exactly realize what is the risk versus the reward left on the table, right? And so through a simple pictorial representation, we try to make it very, very apparent to users so that they can go back and they can compare this idea, let's say, versus another idea that has cropped up. Let's assume that's Power Grid, and I get a quick comparison which I can do over here. And as you can see, right, so in case of Power Grid, not only is the risk reward inferior, even the confidence measure that we have on the trade based on past trades that have been generated, it's slightly low. It is attractive, no doubt. 85% is an extremely solid strike rate. But when they compare it against, let's say, SBI, obviously it scores lower. So if I had, let's say, 1 lakh rupees to invest in a couple of ideas for let's say the next 3 to 5 months, I could then decide that, okay, I'll put probably 70,000 out of my 1 lakh capital in SBI, and I'll probably put about 30,000 to work in Power Grid. This basically, gives you an idea of how you should try and deploy your capital as well, because we all struggle with the same issue, which is limited capital, right, as retail investors. So these are the small kinds of differentiated factors that we try to put in order to help investors make a much better decision. Now, how do I invest in this idea? So during market hours, I can toggle between amount and quantity. I can calculate. So for example, let's say I put in 100 quantity and I calculate. So during market hours, obviously this price will change every 5 minutes. It will calculate the amount. All you have to do is ensure that this much amount is present in your trading account, right? You should have sufficient funds in your trading account. Otherwise, the order could get rejected. Then all you have to do is click on confirm order, right? We mentioned the alert over here as well. Press on confirm, then we select Prabhudas Leeladhar over here, right? Now the page will open where you have to log in with your PL credentials. So let me just do that very quickly. Right, so I'm going to put in my PL credentials over here. And as you can see, Power Grid has opened up. The quantity that I have put in initially has already cropped up over here, and I can execute. Well, obviously, this is very simple because this is just a single stock. But this entire system actually works even more beautifully when I am executing a basket or a portfolio of stocks, and we'll just see very, very soon how that transpires. Let me just log out of this. Okay, I've just canceled the trade, so we'll have to go back. Yeah, okay, we are back over here. So we have seen how the single stock recommendation engine works, right? Now, very quickly, let me take you through the Alpha Matter product that we have. So as of today, we have roughly 18 Alpha Matters listed on our platform. Some of them are based on automated strategies that we have developed on the principles of momentum or low volatility. And many of them are based on curated portfolios that we have created based on traditional bottom-up stock picking process, where we try to make very simple thematic portfolios for investors to invest in. And this is again based on hard on-the-ground research that we do and the experience of the investment team that we have in place. right? Now, if I want to invest in, let's say, any of these portfolios, let's assume that I click ESG, right? And if I look at the ESG Alpha Matter, if I am a subscriber to the product, right, I get to see the entire portfolio. I also get to see the performance statistics. Now, if I like what I see, okay, I get to see the portfolio and I want to invest in this portfolio. So all I have to do is click on this yellow button over here. I have to key in the minimum investment amount over here. It's 19,500. Let's say 20,000. Okay, so it's asking me to either reduce it by 1,000 or increase it by 11,000 so that we can get the weights aligned. So let's assume I decrease it by 1,000. Okay, and now it's calculated for a portfolio which is very close to 19,000, and the weights are somewhat in line with the model portfolio. There would be a slight difference, but we try to ensure that the model portfolio and the portfolio that is built for you is more or less in sync. So now that we can see the portfolio in front of us, and I want to execute this portfolio, mind you, these rates over here will change during market hours every 5 minutes. Right now, this is post market, so obviously these are stagnant prices. Now, once I click on confirm order, again, the process is simple. I have to click on Prabhudas Leeladhar. I have to log in with my trading account details. Just give that a second to load. I have logged in. And as you can see, this entire portfolio has been populated over here, right? And all you have to do is just click on submit. You have to ensure that the available balance is there in your account. Otherwise, the trades will not get executed. There will be issues, right? So it is as simple as this when it comes to executing through the Alphaniti platform, right? Now, when it comes to rebalancing, we have different rebalancing dates for our products. So when it comes to the thematic portfolios that we have over here, we have mentioned the rebalancing dates. We have also tried to ensure that the rebalancing dates are very, very close to the completion of the earning season when it comes to most of our portfolios. So we try to keep the portfolios fresh and relevant. We try to incorporate the most recent impact of company earnings because we all understand, as investors, how important quarterly earnings are for performance of companies, right? So we try to ensure through simply by keeping the rebalancing date as close as possible to the completion of the earnings season to ensure that the portfolios are much more relevant and fresh, as opposed to trying to do it at the end of the quarter or at the beginning of a quarter. So in these small ways we have tried to be differentiated in our approach. So when it comes to rebalancing, all you have to ensure is this, that on the rebalancing date, obviously we will send you reminders 1 week before, a day before, and even on the day of the rebalancing we will send you email reminders that your portfolio has come up for rebalancing. So please ensure that the stocks are there in your demat account and you have some cash balance which you are maintaining in your trading account as well, given the new SEBI guidelines around margins. So all you have to do is when your portfolio comes for rebalancing, on the quick view, if you have invested in a portfolio, it will appear in a tile over here, and you will have a yellow button over here which will be called rebalance. Once you click on rebalance, it is not there over here because I've already rebalanced this portfolio of mine, but over here you would be able to see stocks to buy and stocks to sell. All you have to do is click on execute and again follow the single click execution system that we have built in place. So it is as easy and as simple as that. All you have to do and all you have to ensure as a user of Alphaniti and its advisory engine is that try and do all the trades with respect to our recommendations through our platform. In case you want to sell out of the portfolio even completely or partially, we have given a sell button as well. So we allow you to exit through the platform because it helps us to capture the entire transaction history over here for you. So as a user, we are able to give you all the data over here as accurately as possible based on the execution that you do through your broker. if you directly log into Prabhudas Leeladhar and you execute the transactions on your own, we won't be able to capture those transactions, and then there would be a discrepancy between what is actually there in your holding statement and what is being reflected on the platform over here, which is why we urge all our users to try and ensure that, you know, whatever stocks that you're buying through the recommendations provided on our platform, please, you know, do all the buying and selling through the platform itself. We don't charge you anything extra on the transactions. All we charge you is a flat subscription fee. That is the only you know, model that we have in terms of charging a fee to our users. So, you know, with this, let me pause over here now and let me you know, take questions if there are any.
We request all the users to put their questions on Q&A based on the demo or any other queries you might have. So we'll be addressing them live. Along with this, Palak, do you want to make this special announcement? Hello, am I audible?
Yes. Hello, am I audible?
Yeah, we can hear you, Palak.
Yeah.
So for all the users, we want to make this special announcement. Would you like to do that?
So I guess you should do it, then I can take a follow-up.
Sure. So this is an exclusive offer for all the participants who've joined us to this webinar. The plans that you see right now on the screen, there's an Express plan and there's a Value Plus plan. Value Plus has both Alpha Genie and Alpha Matter, and the subscription is valid for 6 months. We have created a special promo code for you all, wherein you can have an exclusive access to the Value Plus plan at just ₹1. So I'll be sharing the code. It's Alpha PL, ALPHAPL. I'll put that on the Q&A also. You all can, just have to do one thing. If you are a new user, you are coming to Alphaniti for the first time, all you have to do is just go to Start Now. Like you can see on Akshay's screen, he is creating his account. Enter your name, last name, the email ID, mobile number, select your state, and that's it. You are registered on the platform. Each time you want to now come to the platform, all you have to do is just log in with either your email ID or your mobile number, and you would have a 4-digit OTP coming in. That would be your authentication. There's no hassle to remember any password. Just how he did. Do you mind scrolling down? Yeah, he's selecting the state.
Can you mention the referral code once again, please?
Yeah, it's ALPHA Alpha PL.
ALPHA, okay.
PL.
That's it.
That's it. So this would be used at the time of subscription, right?
Okay.
When you scroll down, this is how you basically register on Alphaniti and you create an account. You just sign up, right? Now that he's already signed up, what he usually does is he has to go to login on top, and with his either email ID or mobile number, he gets an OTP authentication like this. Do you want to log in and show?
Yeah, just a second.
Yeah.
So there is an OTP which has come.
Right.
And I have logged into the system. I have to click on products and then I can begin.
Right. So now that he's already a subscribed user, then if you all remember, there was when you select the subscription plan, you have a promo code window. I think that comes when you log out of the system. I'll just try once from my end if you all can see.
I'll stop sharing my screen so you can show it.
Yeah, just a second.
Yeah, you can share your screen. Share.
Yeah, just a second. I hope my screen is visible.
Yeah, it is.
It is, yeah. So this is the landing page. this is the subscription we're talking about, Value Plus. We select this. I am already a registered user. I'll go to login and I'll put my credential. Right. So I'm just quickly check. So supposing I wanted to maybe, check, I do not have an active subscription. So for a first time user, you would not have an active subscription. So here in Value Plus, you're supposed to put the code alpha PL and just click on apply. Right? This is applied and this turns to ₹1 and I can subscribe. So I just have to sign on this disclaimer. I click on submit. Right. It's as simple as that. I just pay ₹1 and I'm a subscribed user to Alphaneti's Value Plus. So I'll be putting this code live and this would be available for you all for 24 hours from today. After that, since it's an exclusive offer, we will only be keeping this available for 24 hours. So Palak, over to you.
So guys, I would really, recommend all of you, everybody, to please register today for Alphaneti itself, because Alphaneti people have exclusively set up this code for us, especially for 24 hours, starting from right now. So after 24 hours, this offer would not be available, and anybody after 24 hours who wish to register at Alphaneti would have to pay ₹1,000, that is 999 for 6 months, if they want to avail the benefits of Alphaneti. And as you know, the benefits are very, very fruitful, as Akshay ji has already explained you with the meeting. And this is the time to capture this moment and register at ₹1, so that you don't have to pay 999 for next 6 months to use the Alphaneti. So I would highly recommend everybody to please register right now only, not to hurry, and I mean not to get late. So and I'm again and again, I'm saying only one thing, that this offer is only available till 24 hours. So please, this is my highly recommendation, a very high recommendation to everybody, that please register and start, investing via baskets and different themes.
That's correct. Thank you, Palak. So if we have any questions, we'll start taking them live. I request you all to put the questions on the Q&A. Yeah, so you all can reach us out to customercare@alphaneti.com. Please put the questions on Q&A so that we can take them one by one. So we have one question. How many categories do you have in the portfolio?
So we have, let me share my screen again so I can show everyone. Just a second. So as you can see, we have two primary product categories. One is basically based on single stocks, right? And within single stocks, we have trades where we recommended across the market cap segment. and we also recommend trades which are across different timelines, right? So in mid caps, we would have trades which range from, we have nothing in 5 days at the moment, but we have trades which are valid for 10 days. And we also have trades which are valid up to 2 years. So there are different trades in different buckets to suit different client or investor requirements, right? This is as far as the single stocks is concerned, which comes under Alpha Genie. When it comes to Alpha Matter, so this is where we have the portfolios that we have created, and these portfolios are all based on different kinds of strategies or themes that we have come out with. Some of the portfolios that you see in front of you, the top three, or rather the top 5 ones, these are all based on secular strategies, based on the underlying strategy that we have adopted on the benchmark index. For example, we have used a momentum filter to buy the top 15 or the top 20 stocks out of the Nifty Midcap 150 or the Nifty 200. When we come to other portfolios like the Kisan or Kheti, this is a portfolio which is based on the rural or agri theme in India. And you would find stocks in this portfolio which are based on the agri theme or something which has a rural, connect, right? So these are some of the kind of portfolios that we have built for different users. I hope that answers your question.
Yes, that was very well explained. The same user is also asking us, how often do I need to invest? Is there any limit or any restriction?
There is absolutely no upper limit. You can invest as and when you like. There is no set category. However, do ensure that when you're investing in any of the Alpha Matters that we have, the minimum ticket sizes, the minimum investment amounts for the portfolios are mentioned over here. Now, you would ask, why are the minimum investment amounts different across different products? Well, simply put, because these portfolios are based on a portfolio of stocks, and since we are buying the stocks in different weightages, it all depends on the underlying price of the stock, right? So since the minimum stock that I have to buy of any particular company is at least one, because we don't have fractional shares in India, you have to buy at least one whole share, which is why then the entire portfolio value is dependent on the different prices of stocks and the weights that we ascribe to it. So you have to just ensure that if you like a particular portfolio, you are able to invest in it as per the minimum investment amount. However, you can invest in excess of this as well, as I have shown before.
That's good. Yeah. We have another question that, can we make a clarification on if there are any additional charges?
Absolutely no other charges. As I explained earlier, we don't charge you anything on the quantum that you buy, or the number of times you buy, or the number of times you buy and sell through the platform. All we charge you is the flat fee, which we have shown on the front page. So if you go for the single stock recommendation engine, we charge you 99 rupees flat, which is also inclusive of GST, by the way, for 6 months, right? Or we charge you 999, which will give you access to both these two products, again for a period of 6 months. Again, the price of 999 is inclusive of GST. Over and above this, we don't charge you anything for these two products, which are available to be executed through Prabhudas Lilladher.
That's correct. So after the validity expires from the subscription that you're taking at 1 rupee, it would be available at 999. So, again, we request you all to take the benefit of it right now. So moving on to the next question, how is it beneficial for day trading or regular trading?
So we are actually working on a couple of day trading products, which we should be able to roll out very soon in the next couple of months. We are also working on a few futures and options related strategies, which we will also be putting onto the platform. So I'm sure our customers will be looking forward to that. The good part is that any additional products or features that we bring onto the platform, the existing users, for example, if you have subscribed to Alphaniti today at 1 rupee, or let's assume even at 999 rupees, and tomorrow I come out with a whole set of new products which includes the day trading product or a BTST product or a Bank Nifty or a Nifty weekly option selling module, for example, right? Because we are working on some of these products. It will be available to you at no additional cost.
Yeah, that's correct. One very interesting question. Please show about investments outside India. Would you like to brief a bit about US investments?
Sure. So as you can see over here, we have 2 products for India and we have 1 product for US as well, which is Alpha Matters. So for us, Alpha Matters is nothing but conceptually for us, Alpha Matters is nothing but a bouquet of stocks. It's a bouquet of curated portfolios, which consist of stocks, right? For the US markets, we have done a strategic tie-up with a US-based investment manager called the Validia Group. They have been operating in the US markets for almost 18 to 20 years now. The team is extremely, talented, and they are a bunch of very, very smart people who have been running some of these strategies and these portfolios that you see over here. They've been running it for many, many years, and these are statistics which have been come through live market environment. So these are actual statistics, actual portfolios which have been run by the Validia Group for the US markets in the US, right? This is the performance of these portfolios. So the minimum ticket sizes for these portfolios is actually $1,000. Please do not mind the error over here, which is getting corrected. So the minimum ticket size is 1,000. We have certain products out of these which are currently available to be bought through our partner, which is Stockle. So Stockle is again an international broker through whom you would be able to buy these portfolios at the moment. We will soon be integrating with a couple of other international brokers as well, through whom you will be able to buy these US portfolios. These US portfolios are not available under the current subscription plan that we have given you of 99 or 999. That is only for the Indian markets. For the US markets, the pricing is a little different. It is based on the assets under management or under, so we charge you a management fee on the AUM or on the assets under advisory through our broker partners over here, which is Stockle.
That's correct. There's another interesting question. How can a trader earn consistent profit daily without joining any premium group?
Okay, that's a very interesting question. I am also hunting for an answer to the same, sir, to be honest. Okay, but jokes apart, I think there is no alternative to hard work. And if you're serious about managing your own money, I think you should definitely look at, at least getting some good professional advice from an experienced, wealth manager or, an investment advisor who will be able to help you traverse through this complex world of investments and investment markets, right? There is nothing easy about investing or trading, no matter how easy it seems on social media. A lot of people who are, to be honest, very, very successful, they have put in years and years of pain and efforts to get to where they are in terms of their experience or their knowledge base.
That's correct. Yeah. So another question is, can the category be customized?
At the moment, we don't have the customization tool for any of our Alpha Matters. We are coming up with that as well soon enough. So you should be able to, edit the weights. So in case, for example, you see the weights over here, and when you go to invest now, today, what we have on the platform is fixed weights. Very soon, maybe in the next couple of weeks, we will be coming out with an option where you would be able to tweak these weights as well as per your own liking.
That's right. So is there any time lag between Alphanity to PL when you're executing?
The time lag all depends on your broadband connection, sir. So if you have a very fast network, The time lag should not be a lot. It should be a couple of seconds, maybe 10, 20, 30 seconds. So it really doesn't matter a lot. Especially when you're investing in portfolios for the longer term, or if you're buying, even if you're buying a stock for, let's say, a trade which is, let's say, up to 15 days or 2 months, even if there is a 30-second lag, it doesn't really matter too much in the long run.
Right. So there are different categories shown in the Alpha Matter scheme. Now, if one category doesn't perform or 2-3 stocks in one category don't perform, then how does one shift to the performing ones?
That's a good question. So that you have to leave to us, and that is why we have something called as a rebalancing date, right? So we try to keep these portfolios fresh and relevant. So every 3 months, we go back to the drawing board. We'll take a hard look at the portfolio, and if it is not performing, we review each and every company in that. If there are companies which are underperforming, we will decide whether those companies should be retained or they should be kicked out and should be include different companies in place of those. So that decision making is a part of the investment team at Alphaniti. That is what we do all full time.
Right. How frequently do you update shares? Like how frequently? I think he's asking recommendations come on board.
So recommendations. So when it comes to the Alpha Matters, like I said, these portfolios get updated every 3 months, right? When it comes to Alpha Genie, it all depends on the signal. So if a signal is generated, at times you could get maybe up to even 5 trades a day. But on an average, in our experience, we have seen that in a week, usually we get up to half a dozen ideas. So a trade a day is what we are able to generate on an average. At least one new trade.
Right. Okay. On what basis the stocks are recommended? Are you using AI or is it based on technical charts?
So we don't use technicals per se. So we don't do technical analysis. We actually use a lot of quantitative parameters based on technical factors. So where we use a host of things like, how do you read momentum? How do you read the relative strength of a stock? The various moving averages, whether it's an uptrend or a downtrend, so on and so forth. But what we try to do is actually a detailed statistical study of these stocks. And based on certain algorithms that we have written for scoring these stocks, we then are able to come up with signals or scores that generate a buy signal. And that's how we work out the buy signals. When it comes to the upsides, or rather the target prices and the stop losses, again, these are based on statistical analysis that we have done for that particular stock. And all of it is calculated scientifically through the algorithm. There is absolutely no human element or human judgment involved over there.
That's correct. Can we get past performance report of recommendations?
Absolutely. So if you see the past trades tab over here, second, it's operating. You would be able to see this page, right? And over here, you can see all the trades that are being closed, right? And you will also be able to see why the trade was closed, whether there was a profit or loss on the trade, so on and so forth. And it's very, very comprehensive. We have trades, we have gone live with this platform since February 2021. So far, it has worked pretty well. You can see all the history over here with respect to the track record.
Okay. And do we warn the red flags?
Come again?
Do we warn the red flags? I think the user is trying to ask if, there's the stock doesn't have the potential, or we think that it is not going to do well. Do we alert the users in any way?
No, so we don't try to put any of our human biases to work over here. We trust the system to do the job. In the system, we already have a set stop loss limit. If the stop loss is hit, so be it. Otherwise, we let the trade run for the time frame for which it is valid. Uh, Unless and of course, there is an extremely extraordinary situation. For example, something like a Satyam kind of a situation, or let's assume a Yes Bank kind of situation, which happened 3 years back, right? Uh, if certain cases happen, which is one in a million, then obviously we would intervene, and we would then recommend all the users who would have bought the stock to close the position. But that would be strictly on a case-to-case basis, and that would be a rarity.
Right. Is there any timeline defined for baskets?
Absolutely no, there is no timeline. In fact, most people, have this common question that can I buy and sell out of baskets? So I would say this, that once you buy, unlike when you're investing, let's say in a mutual fund, right? Where the only thing that you have to track is the end NAV, correct? And you can only crystallize your gain by either buying at, let's say, 10 rupees and selling at 13 rupees on the NAV, and thereby you have crystallize the gain of 3 rupees, right? In these alpha matters, you're buying the underlying stocks. And given that we are rebalancing them every 3 months, there would be certain stocks where we are either exiting because of underperformance, or we are exiting because we want to book profits, and we are entering new stocks where we believe there is an opportunity to buy and make money. So we are actively managing within this portfolio for you the buy and sell decisions on different stocks. So all we would want you to do is to decide what theme you want to back, and let us do the hard work for you in terms of the buying and selling. Uh, all we need you to do is stay invested in the theme, and then you can derive all the long-term benefits of being invested in the theme.
That's correct. One very interesting question is the platform similar to Teji Mandi app?
So I wouldn't like to comment on competitor apps. I would, just ask the users here today to focus on the kind of products that we have come out with. In fact, we are not yet done. So, this is just the beginning for us. We are just scratching the surface. Like I said, we are coming up with even more different variety of products, right? So not only would we be adding more and more curated portfolios over here based on investment themes and whatnot, but we would also be coming out with different single stock recommendation in modules, which will help you to not only trade intraday, or do BTST, or do trades in options and futures, or maybe even do a long short basket. So these are the different kinds of products that we will keep coming out with. And this is all going to be based on our own proprietary research.
That's correct. A lot of users are, I think, getting confused. Do you mind just, taking them back to the start page? Because when they're subscribing, there's a lot of confusion where to put the code and all that. Right.
Yeah, actually, Shreya, even I can see in the chat box people
Yeah.
are, failing
So
to.
we'll
Can I
again
put the
walk you
code over
through.
here?
Yeah, this is Prabhu01. This is the referral code which helps us identifying you're coming through Prabhudas Leeladhar. So it is PRABU01. Right? So this is
Yeah.
the referral code for Prabhudas Leeladhar, which will help us in identification. The promo code that needs to be put is at the subscription page, which we'll just demo. Right. So if you, select value plus here, and
No,
you
I have
log
already
in.
signed up, so I
Okay.
can't do it. So maybe Palak can do show that once, if she has not yet subscribed.
Palak, would you like to do that?
I'll stop sharing my screen so that Palak can share hers.
Yeah.
Yeah, sorry.
Would you like to
Palak,
show your screen and demo, because we are all subscribed users?
Even I am subscribed.
Okay, just allow me a second.
Yeah.
Okay, no worries. Fine. So to begin with, all the new users who are new to Alphanity, they have to go here. This is where you basically register yourself onto Alphanity with your first name, last name, email ID, mobile number. The referral code here would be Prabhu01, and then you select your state, right? This code also I'll just quickly mention on the chat. This is the referral code which will help us understand, the source. And after this, I log in. So I'm using one ID which is not subscribed. This is after registration, I log in. Right, I got my OTP, I validate. And suppose I click on, maybe, last time I went here, even if I go to the baskets and our alpha matters, I'm not subscribed. So I see a subscribe now button here. So irrelevant, like you can go to Alpha Genie or Alpha Matter. And then here, this is where you are supposed to put the code, Alpha PL, and hit apply. Once you see this success and you okay it, then it comes to 1 and you click on subscribe. You confirm the disclaimer and you submit. And then with any choice of mode of payment, you can easily subscribe to the offering. I hope that helps.
Guys, I would request everybody to please ask if they are facing any issues with the registration.
Yeah, you all have to register first, or if you have already created your accounts, then you just simply have to log in and put the code for subscription.
Yeah.
If anyone wants me to explain something in Hindi, I'm most welcome to do that.
Yeah, we'd be more than happy to take any questions in any language. Please let us know.
Any though, Hindi. I mean, right now.
I mean, yeah, Hindi or English.
Yeah.
Palak, any questions probably from your end that maybe users might be asking you?
Basically, I was, getting these questions only that, how they can reshuffle one or two stocks into the whole basket, or do they have any options for the day trading and stuff like that. So as all these questions have already answered by Akshay ji, so yeah.
Right. So, okay. राइट सो अगर आप लोगों को कोई भी और क्वेश्चन है जो आप चाहते हैं हम हिंदी में भी एक्सप्लेन करें, प्लीज आप यहाँ चैट बॉक्स पे हमें बता सकते हैं. वील वेट फॉर कपल ऑफ मोर मिनट्स फॉर यू. और आपको सब्सक्रिप्शन में भी अगर कोई डिफिकल्टी है, प्लीज लेट अस नो.
Shreya, there is one person who is facing an error. Organization not found. So you can just
yeah, I'll take his details and probably connect with him.
Yeah, connect with him separately.
And guys, I just want to remind you that जो आपका promo code है to get the benefits at ₹1, that is for 999. 999 का जो आपका
Value plus है, हाँ, correct.
हाँ, Value plus subscription package है, उसके लिए है. If you are putting it for 999 वाला package, so वो काम नहीं करेगा. Please आप 999 वाले में एक बार डाल के देखिए if you are putting it into 991 package.
Right. Palak, I got couple of contact details and I think we'll connect with them separately.
Yeah, no problem.
Any platform related query you guys have that you want us to address?
I guess Shreya, shall we show them once again how do they register for rupee 1?
Yeah, sure. Just a second.
Yeah, because I am looking at the questions and I'm finding that, you know, they are asking for KYC and stuff. So if we can show them the whole process again, like, you know, how they ask you the 10 or 12 questions, then they, you know, get your risk ability
So
and everything.
I'm a registered user, so which is why I'm logging in directly on the platform.
Yeah.
Okay, now I think this is the part you all are talking about. So for KYC, all you have to do is just put your PAN card number, date of birth, and your state. It will show the status right here. And this is the risk profiling. So this basically helps us in identifying, you know, which risk profile, like risk category you belong to, conservative, moderate, or aggressive. This you can also skip, but if you suppose you choose to, you just have to answer a couple of questions like, you know, current age, the investment purpose, the duration of investment, say maybe 1 to 3 years, right? And current income bracket, the option that best describes the number of dependents that you have, your net worth, then how much you save after meeting all your expenses, worst draws that, you know, you would have seen so far if you have been investing, if the portfolio falls greater than 30%, how are you likely to act? So stuff like that, and you just submit, right? Okay, so I'm a moderate investor. If you see here, right, we confirm this. We can also change the risk profiling at any given point of time. Once this is done, suppose now all of this information would be blurred unless you are a subscribed user. We select any product and right, I do not have the subscription, so I cannot apply the code here under Express. It is to be applied here under Value Plus, which is where the code is being created for Alpha PL. And then I click on apply, right? And it's successful. And it is available at 1 rupee. Valid for 6 months. I click on subscribe. I okay the disclaimer and I submit. Right. And you can just make the payment after this. I hope this answers your questions and this helps.
Yeah, thank you so much, Shreya.
No worries, happy to help.
Yeah. Guys, please now, as Shreya has shown you how you can register with the promo code and get the benefit. So I would request you again to, I would request everybody again to please register and start using Alphaniti. Yeah, thank you. And if you face any issues, anything, then you can contact your brokers, branch managers, or even you can email Alphaniti's customer relation department.
Yeah, it's customercare@alphanity.com. You can always reach out to us with any query, and we'll be happy to answer that.
Yeah. Okay. So shall we sign off?
Yeah, thank you so much, Palak, for organizing this. We really, you know, applaud Bikram for showing up even though he's not keeping well. So really thank you and the entire team of PL. I also like to thank Akshay for demoing the platform and answering all the queries live. And last but not the least, our dear audience, we request you all that, the code is valid only for 24 hours and please avail the benefits of it. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Alphaniti.
Thank you so much for today's opportunity to present.